Hello, friends. Today, let me introduce you to the BLOCKMASTER OS. This is a new digital product that I have created. Before I proceed, let me introduce my avatar, which is there in the bottom right hand side. This is my avatar, but the voice behind it, mine, Sachin. So, welcome to BLOCKMASTER OS, the most comprehensive enterprise grade blockchain management system ever built inside Microsoft Excel. Whether you are a CTO navigating your Web3 transformation, a CISO managing the blockchain risk, or a PMO lead trying to align governance with delivery, this is the toolkit you have been waiting for. The blockchain OS isn't just a spreadsheet, it's an operating system for your entire blockchain program. Stay with me. By the end of this day, you will understand exactly why this is the accelerator your organization needs today. Now let's talk about the problem statement. So let me ask you this. How many tools in your team is using to manage your blockchain program right now? 4, 8, 15? That's the problem. Enterprise blockchain chain programs are drawing into fragmentation. Risk register live in one place, tokenomics in another, compliance mapping is third, and nobody has the full picture. Organizations lose month and millions patching together a coherent view of their blockchain programs. Compliance with MISA, FATF, VARA, and SEC requirement isn't optional. It exists. And yet, most teams are tracking it manually, reactive, and inconsistent. So, Blockchain Master OS was built significantly to solve every one of these problems in one place out of the box. So, the Blockmaster OS bring all this capability to one beautifully structured Excel workbook. Eight fully integrated modules from executive dashboards and tokenomics to governance, risk, architecture, and PMO, all in a single file you can deploy in minutes. There is no complex software to install, no subscription to license, no vendor to negotiate with. You download the Blockmaster OS, open Excel, and you are operational. It is the closest thing to a plug and play enterprise blockchain program management system that exists today. So let me walk you through each of these modules and show you what's inside. Your CISO doesn't need spreadsheet tabs. They read dashboards. The blockchain OS delivers five executive grade dashboard that gives leadership immediate visual answer to the question they are asking, whether are we on the blockchain maturity curve, what's your compliance posture, are we on track. The blockchain maturity scoring models follow a structured five level framework so you can benchmark where you are and build a credible roadmap forward. The risk heat map surface threats before they becomes incident, and the Gantt-based roadmap keeps program delivery in full view. These aren't prototype, these production ready tools that your team can use from day one. Let's talk about the tokenomics and the financial model. See, the tokenomics is where your most Web3 projects get in catastrophic wrong. Poorly designed supply model, unsustainable stacking reverse, rust vesting schedules. These are where it collapsed project. The Blockmaster OS gives you a six precision financial model to design your token economy with rigor. You can stimulate inflation rates, stress testing your treasury runway, calculate validator ROI, and map out every vesting schedule before a single token is issued. For enterprise blockchain team, this replaces month of custom financial modeling work. For Web3 founder, this is your financial architecture ready to present to investor with confidence. Let's talk about the governance and compliance. So compliance isn't a checkbox. It's your license to operate with regulators globally accelerating their scrutiny of crypto and enterprise blockchain. MIC in Europe, VARA in UAE, FATF guidelines on best enforcement in the US, your organization needs a defensible, documented compliance posture. The blockchain OS includes a full regulatory crosswalk matrix covering all the major frameworks, 270 plus compliance control, a smart contract audit tracker, and a GDPR plus travel rule compliance matrix. For DAO-based projects, the governance model and the voting tracker gives you the operational infrastructure to run compliant and auditable on-chain governance. This isn't theoretical. This is a production governance infrastructure. Let's talk about the architecture and nodes. The blockchain architecture decisions are permanent. Choosing the wrong chain, the wrong consensus model, or the wrong node topology can derail your program for years. The Blockmaster OS includes a comprehensive chain comparison matrix covering the Ethereum, Hyperledger, Polygon, Solana, Avalanche, and more. So your architects can make defensive data-driven decisions. The node deployment planner and the health monitor gives you infrastructure team operationally clarify. The smart contract architecture uh, patterns designed by months. This is the foundation your entire blockchain ecosystem is built on, and the Blockmaster OS gives you the blueprint. Let's talk about the risk and the security. The blockchain doesn't eliminate risk, it relocates it. Smart contract exploits, private key compromises, validator confusion, and the protocol layer attacks are real, documented threats costing the industry billions annually. The Blockmaster OS gives you, the security team, a complete risk management framework from a structured risk register with owner accountability to strike-based threat modeling, MITRE mapping, CVE vulnerability tracking, and a full incident response log. Your CISO gets the documentation they need to present to the board, your SecOps teams get the operational tooling, and your auditor get evidence. This isn't a theoretical security posture, it's a working security management system. Now let's talk about the PMO and implementation. The governance and the architecture means nothing if you can't deliver. The Blockmaster OS includes a full PMO toolkit to take your blockchain program from approval to live with confidence. The project plan provides a structured WBS based delivery schedule. The RACI matrix eliminates accountability gaps. The vendor evaluation matrix gives the procurement team a defensive partner selection framework. And critically, the budget planner, the TCO calculator, and the ROI calculator gives your CFO the number they need to approve and sustain funding. Whether you are managing a 500K pilot or 50 million enterprise rollout, Blockchain OS gives your PMO the financial and the operational intelligence to succeed. Now, before we end, here's the bottom line. Building a blockchain program management framework from scratch take months and cost tens of thousands of dollars in consulting time. Blockmaster OS is your shortcut. This is a complete production ready enterprise grade system you can download today and deploy immediately. No setup, no developers, no integration projects. You get a full Excel workbook, complete product documentation, and screenshot of every single tab so your team hits the ground running. Whether you are a CTO launching a blockchain center of excellence, a CISO building a defensive security posture, or a Web3 founder preparing for your next trade, blockchain Blockmaster OS is your comprehensive advantage. Download it today at etsy.com. Shop digital IT by searching. Thank you.